CHiP Robot is a smart robotic pet dog designed to give users the fun, companionship, and training experience of a real dog, without the responsibilities of feeding, cleaning, or vet care. It uses sensors and wheels to navigate rooms and avoid obstacles. It can recognize its ball, its SmartBand, and respond to gestures. CHiP Robot displays emotions through its LED eyes, movements, and sound effects. It allows further customization of commands, training, and remote control. It learns and adapts to its owner's behavior over time. It comes with a wristband that allows you to issue commands, reward CHiP, and track interactions. CHiP Robot plays fetch using a special ball it can chase and bring back. It can listen to spoken commands and respond. Also recognizes hand gestures. It has infrared vision, sensors to avoid obstacles, and navigate rooms. When its battery runs low, CHiP automatically returns to its SmartBed charging station.